Hey, y'all.
Happy Sunday. Y'all, we just finished our early voting.
And I'm telling you guys, we have done our civic duty for this election season. Let me say this, guys. I try to see, we taught Jackson how to do this thing. Jackson back there with his voting thing. Let me say this, guys, so I can be just clear as a bell with 3 rules I have about voting. 1, if you like the way things are, keep it. 2, if you don't like the way they are, change it. 3, be civil and polite to everyone regardless to what their point of view is. Guys, remember, we're all in the same boat together. A competitive sport, if you would, this voting thing is a lot at stake. But for me, as a man, I just say to you, do your research, pray about it, make your decision, and then keep it moving. Your neighbor is still gonna be your neighbor tomorrow. Your family is still gonna be your family tomorrow. So guys, do your civic duty. Do the thing that you do. Enjoy yourselves, and I promise you, it's all gonna work out. But if you don't vote, you cannot complain. Jump in. Let's see how it goes.
You done? You done, babe?
I'm all finished.
You all finished? We hope you all had, for those that went to church, we hope that you had a great service on today. For those that maybe watched the service online, and we apologize, you guys. The technical difficulties have been difficult with our service. So prayerfully next Sunday, we will be up and running. Our internet service, they are scheduled to be there tomorrow to take care of whatever is going on. So if you missed our service again today, we certainly apologize, but prayerfully we'll be up and at 'em next Sunday. But right now I'm hungry. You hungry, babe?
Yeah, I'm hungry, and I'm trying to get home to the football game. I have the advantage of watching the score, listening to it. We're losing. We're losing by 2 points.
And who is we, or what's your team, baby?
2021. We're the Texans, the best team in Texas. The other one just have a bigger TV. So
you're gonna say that every time you talk about y'all?
Yes, sir. Every time I talk about that team with the star, if that star fall off, y'all think it's Detroit. I'm just saying, people. But nevertheless, we're down. This is the 3rd quarter. Got a little time, but we're rooting for this thing. And by the way, all you football fans for the other team in Texas with a star on their helmet, if you want to know what winning is, come on over to us. We accept everybody. It's a big tent over here. It's a big tent. And remember, when we win, the state of Texas win. So we can use your support. I know you're tired of cheering just to be let down. And some of y'all, it's not going to even let down because you're not going to let them pick you up. But that's just the way it is, people. That's just the way it is. Don't want to start no problems. Don't want no interstate feud with one another. We okay. We okay. We start no problems. Don't want an interstate feud. So everything's good. Everything's good. So right now, we got a little hurdle. The cheeseheads trying to make some things happen. They're at home. I don't know if they're getting home cooking or not, because that's Green Bay Packers. So I don't know if they're getting home cooking, but you know they're at home. But you know, we got a team united. We need to learn how to win in these tight games when the zebras are against you. I ain't saying that's happening because I ain't seen the game.
You make sure you watch when you go and talk about a game and you drive.
Baby, this is a big long highway. I can't see. It's almost you can't see another car that's so far up there.
I can see it. It's one over here.
That's behind us, though, right? That's behind us.
I know, but you make sure you stay in your lane.
I got 2 lanes, 3 lanes until she come up on me or he come up on me. Okay, now he don't came up. Now I got to stay in this lane. So the point that I'm making to you, everybody, is this. We're rooting this thing through 3rd quarter. We're down 19-21. We'll look at the way this goes. A field goal puts us up 22-21. So I'm just trying to get
looking at the camera.
Don't you act like I can't. I got one eye here, one eye there. Look at this eye go.
No,
look.
they make you look cross-eyed.
Well, I'm cross-eyed looking at the game. It ain't like I'm in the tights. Don't look. You got to hold.
You have to lead by example and drive safe.
It looks like a runway. A 747 can land in this. It's so strange. But nevertheless, you're right. Let me lead by example. So I'm just saying, guys, this our Sunday. I'm getting home. I'm trying to get out these clothes so I can just relax. Everything needs to be done. It's done. Everything is taken care of. Miss Donica happy and okay. Jackson, you happy?
You pop out a thumbs up. We're good.
Okay, everything's good. Love you guys. Hoping you're enjoying your Sunday. Hoping your team win. Except that they Green Bay.
You're gonna eat some macaroni and cheese too, right? All right.
Okay.
And your greens.
Okay.
Okay. You have to eat your greens like a big boy.
Yeah, I gotta be strong.
Your greens make you strong. That's right. Yes, sir. Yes, they do.
Look at me on the camera.
Look at you on the camera. I see you. You see you?
Yeah.
Just running.
Yeah.
Just running. Y'all, he runs and runs and runs and runs some more. Running, running, running. I can't tarry. Running, running, running. Y'all remember that song? I can't tarry. Running, running, running. I can't tarry.
Nana.
Yes, baby.
Who wanna roll with me?
Running in the name of the Lord. Y'all remember that? Running, running, running. Keep running. I can't tarry. Running, running, running. I can't tarry. Running, running, running. I can't tarry. Running in the name of the Lord. Bless your heart. And he runs and runs and runs. Did you say you wanted bread too? Watch that. Be careful.
Oops.
Oops. I want you to start off by eating your greens first.
Look, I eat my macaroni.
Yes, you can eat your macaroni, but Nana really wants you to eat your greens too. Oh, you guys.
You wanna
Papa.
You wanna eat my greens
No, I want you to eat your greens.
and your only greens?
Papa, Nana's gonna eat her own greens. Right? And then you eat your greens, okay? The pork chop. These two right here, I air fried.
Papa said, he didn't get up.
Papa said, tell Papa it's time to eat. He said he was hungry. Okay. All right. These two here were air fried.
It's time to eat.
380 for about 12 minutes. And I wanted to make sure they were done. And then these three, because do number one say, I want mine pan fried. Okay. These three here were pan fried with a little flour. So what did Papa say? Huh?
Papa said,
Be careful. Papa said nothing. Will you ask Papa to help you wash your hands?
No.
Huh?
No.
No what?
I didn't ask.
Oh, you didn't ask him? Well, will you please go ask Papa to help you wash your hands? Okay? All right. Oscar is sad. No, you ain't telling me no. But he thought I said, did you ask?
No.
Did he think I said?
I have something to tell
I think he
you.
thought I said, did you
I
ask
hurt my
Papa?
finger.
Did you ask
I hurt
Papa
my finger.
to help you wash your hands? You heard what you do?
I just, I heard it.
You heard it. So what now I need to do? Kiss it for you, make it better? Huh?
And I hit it on the couch.
Oh, you hit it on the couch. Okay, is it all right? Okay, now what Nana asked you to go do?
Wash my hands.
And who's going to help you wash your hands?
Papa.
Okay. Okie dokie. Thank you.
Goki goki,
Oh.
artichoke.
Okie dokie, artichoke. I'm a little later finishing dinner today because we did, after church, go do our early voting. So, yeah, it's a little late Sunday dinner today. What'd you say, Jackson?
It's lost in the actual sun.
He said it's lost in the sun.
Actual sun.
Hey. Hey.
Oh. Jackson, why you leave that over here for Papa? Jackson, why did you leave that over there for Papa to get a hold to? Here, taste your greens. Ooh, they are so good. It make you big and strong and run fast.
I want this.
Taste this too. Taste it.
Yeah.
Isn't that good? Yes. Ooh, that make you big and strong. You didn't want to bless them with another song?
Oh. I'm hungry. Okay. Fancy.
You're hungry, Papa?
You finna eat fancy today.
Yeah, this is gonna be real fancy.
Y'all see the grease that drains off. I like to sit my pork chops on the paper towel so it'll help drain off some of that grease. Ooh-wee. Oh, babe, I meant to tell you, they were getting on you the other day.
What I do
They
this
said
time?
you didn't wash out my lettuce and you didn't wash out my tomato.
It was in the refrigerator.
What does that mean? You got it from the grocery store. What is supposed to be in the refrigerator?
We was at the grocery store with the thunderstorms.
What? You talking about the sprinklers that wash it off?
Yeah.
Not when it was wrapped up in plastic.
But it was before it was wrapped up in plastic. It was under the thunderstorm.
No, sir.
Not if it's going to Ashland City.
I said for everybody, yeah. What did we just say?
Everlast.
Okay. It was in the thunderstorm, and I thought the thunderstorm.
No, sir. Oh, we can move that trivet from up under there.
What's the trick?
had sitting on. I thought it was cool.
I think.
Oh yeah, that's what they said, baby.
I'm sorry, bro.
I think the Sky can go in the store.
What are you talking about, little bitty baby dude?
Sky can
Well, you
go
guys, it's been a long day, so y'all know we are ready to eat. I don't think dude number one want to talk today while he eat.
I didn't. Sky
You wanna
can
talk
go
while
in
you
the
eat, baby?
store.
Why you have rice?
Cause I went ahead and fixed you some rice.
Thank you.
Y'all, I had said I ain't fixing no rice. He loves the rice. I ain't fixing no rice. Y'all know I fixed him some rice, right?
Want to try this off?
So what you have? Rice, macaroni and cheese. Our greens are mixed. They are collards and turnips. Fresh greens.
Turnips.
We have a field trip coming up about these greens, okay, y'all? Field trip.
Oh.
All right, you guys, babe.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Check out.
Bye.
This is just something that's gonna hold me till I eat.
Bye, everybody.
Jackson, you good over there, baby?
Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.
Jackson said it's time to say bye. Well, listen, you guys, we're getting ready to eat. I know he is ready. Wait a minute, baby, that's not what you wanted. You wanted the pan fried. That's air fried.
It's air fryer. What's the difference? I bet the air fryer. That's how my burgers look that you don't throw some out of.
You wanted the pan fried.
Lord. It's some good greens. I'm gonna just eat the collard right
Yeah, I've never fixed turnips before. That you said you wanted the turnips and the collards.
Mm-hmm. Turnips, collards.
These three were pan fried.
Collards.
Let me see if I can taste the difference. So you're vegetables are eating.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it good, Jackson? You eating your greens? Anyway, guys, listen. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. This was a quick Sunday check-in, something kind of different. Especially seeing me in the kitchen on Sunday. I see a thumbs up, baby. He's sitting over there eating with his thumb up in the air. Different seeing me in the kitchen and showing you all Sunday dinner as opposed to breakfast. But in any event, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so.
By hitting the nosy.
That way you'll be notified whenever you're over here doing.
The Lord and praise Jesus.
Praise Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Hit that nosy, that way you'll be notified whenever we're over here doing whatever it is we're doing.
I don't know something.
Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.
Bye.
Bye.